Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got some tire letters for you. This kit was actually purchased from tirestickers.com. As you can see in another video that I got, the kit that I installed, I have the how-to so you guys can watch that. I just washed the sidewall with some acetone and some 400 grit sandpaper. I made the marks to where I'm gonna put the tires here with some tape. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link down in the descriptions for the other video. Now it's just basically a review. I've had about like 4 tire lettering kits. Most of them lasted for about like 5-6 months, even less for some. But today I decided to get a good kit. Like most of the kits that I purchased were about in the $70-$80 range, and this is like 120. These are, I can feel from the packaging that those are quality letters. Also the kit that came with it, this looks like of a better glue with a little ball on the top so I can apply it properly. I'll see you guys once it's on, and yeah, wish me luck, and I'll try to get a review, a long-term review on those a little bit later down the road. So see you guys. Today my tires are going in. My friend here is helping me to bring the tires back to the shop so I can install them, because right now in my car there's no space. Let me show you how it looks like. It's rainy as fuck. Right now it's a little bit of a hustle here. My side skirt is falling. The letters are out. This is ugly, so let's fix it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit nicer than before, huh? I like it. I like it. Bonito. Nice.